Continuing our discussion on exponential or integral of exponential functions. So we are now done with sample problem number 5. So ang natitira na lang sa atin ay dalawa, which is sample problem 6 and sample problem 7. So let's start our discussion on sample problem 6. Sabi dito, we have to evaluate the integral of e raised to t over e raised to t plus 3 dt. So in this case, our integrand o yung nakapaloob sa ating integral ay isang fraction. So kapag ganito, pwede nating i-evaluate or i-transform yung form into integral ng du over u, which will give us the ln absolute value of u plus c. So magkakaroon tayo ng logarithmic function, okay, natural log functions. Okay, so let's proceed. So in this case, since fraction, we let u substitution ang gagamitin natin. So u substitution, again, it is a technique. Okay, technique siya or tool na ginagamit natin to simplify our functions. Okay, especially kapag ito ay product or kapag ito naman ay fraction, okay, or division of two functions. So gumagamit tayo ng let u in those cases. At kapag hindi nakasunod sa mga basic rules of integration yung ating problem, gagamit tayo ng u substitution. Now, kung paano tayo pumipili ng u? Again, ang pagpili ng u ay nakadepende kasi dapat ang goal ng u substitution is matanggal lahat ng other variable except for u. So in this case, our variable is t. Dapat pag pumili ako ng u ko, matatanggal lahat ng may et rito. Let's say, let u is equal to e raised to t. Ang magiging du neto ay et dt. Diba? Ganyan yung derivative ng e raised to u du. So, et dt. Okay. So, pag ganito ang ginawa natin, our integral becomes, kung ito yung mo, may maiiwan kang et plus 3 sa ilalim, tapos this will be du over e over t. Pwede? Hindi. Kasi meron ka pang variable t, variable u. Dapat isa lang ang variable. Okay. The other way around, kung yan naman ang ilalet u mo, you can rewrite your equation as e raised to t. Ang palitan mo ng u ay yung nasa baba, plus 3. Then, we have dito our du becomes, our dt rather, becomes du over e raised to t. Okay? So, our dt is du over e raised to t. Okay? So, meron na tayo ngayong du over u plus 3. So, yan. Mukhang pwede na. Pwede na to actually. Pwede na itong maging ln. Yun nga lang, magsasubstitute ka pa ulit. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung other way. So, if we let u, yung denominator, e raised to t plus 3, our du becomes e raised to t dt. Or our dt becomes du over e raised to t. So that would be now the integral of e raised to t over u multiplied by du over e raised to t. So ang may iwan na lang sa atin ay integral ng du over u, which is ln absolute value of u plus c, or this will give us ln, our value of u is e raised to t plus 3 plus c. So this is our answer. Now, yung sinasabi ni sir, kapag second approach yung ginawa natin, magle-let ka na naman. So let tayo kasi hindi pa natin pwedeng i-apply yung ating logarithmic function dito. So we have to let k is equivalent to u plus 3. And then dk will be equal, dk will be equal to du. Okay? So this one can be rewritten as integral of our du is dk, our u plus 3 is k. So this becomes ln absolute value of k plus c. Si u, variable lang yan na madalas natin ginagamit. Pero pwede tayong gumamit ng ibang letter such as t, v, k, or any letter naman. So substitute natin yung value ng k. K is u plus 3 plus c. But since may value tayo ng u, the initial assumption natin ng u is u is equal to e raised to t. So this answer becomes ln e raised to t plus 3 plus c. So, same result lang, mas humaba lang kapag mali ka ng pili ng U. Okay? So, that's it for this problem. Let's continue on the next one. I think kasya naman dito. So, try natin sagutan si number 7. We have to evaluate the integral of 1 over x ln x. So, integral of 1 over x ln absolute value of x dx. So, again, ito ay naka-fraction form. It can be also rewritten as dx over x ln of absolute value of x. Now, the problem here is ano kaya yung iuyu natin? Common mistake, ang iniuyu lahat x ln of absolute value of x. Pagka diniyo natin ito, ang makukuha natin, magkakaroon pa tayo ng product. So, we have x. Ang derivative ng ln x ay 1 over x. Okay? 1 over x dx plus ang derivative naman, we have here ln absolute value of x. Kunin naman natin to dx. So, our du becomes, cancel to, dx plus ln of x dx. So, hindi siya magandang gamitin, hindi okay, kasi hindi natin makakancel because the value of dx here is du over 1 plus ln of x. Okay? So, you might question why, bakit naging ganyan pala. Okay, factor out ko na lang. So, our du, factor out ko si dx, ang matitira sa akin dito sa side na to ay 1. Dito naman, pag tinanggal ko si dx, ang may iwan ay ln value of x. So, our dx becomes du over 1 plus ln of x. So, hindi siya pwede. Okay, kasi pag sinubstitute natin ito, this will be integral of 1 over u. Kasi x ln x ang niu mo, then our dx becomes du over 1 plus ln of x. So, hindi pwede. Okay? So, hindi natin siya magagawa. Mali ito. Yan yung common mistake. So, hindi pwede natin gawin ito. Okay. Eh, sir, ano ang gagawin natin? Pili ka lang ngayon ng isa. Since, di ba, dalawang function ito, may f of x ka dito, tapos may g of x ka. Pili ka lang na isa dyan sa dalawa, isang function lang. Piliin natin si ln of x. Pag pinili natin to, our du will be dx over x, or mas common na nakikita natin is 1 over x dx. That is the derivative of ln x. So in this case, we can say that dx is x du. Okay? Aangat yung x dito para maiwan lang sa kabilang side ay si dx. Substitute na natin. So we have now integral of, so meron tayong 1 over x. Yung ln x pinalitan natin ng u, multiplied by our dx is x du. Cancel, cancel. We have now the integral of du over u, which will give us ln absolute value of u plus c, or this is ln of x plus c. So this is our answer for this problem. Okay? Now, meron din mga common na mali na nagagawa dito. Okay? Nung itinranspose si x, ang ginawa, naging x over du over x kasi diyan sila nasanay. Mali yan. Okay? Mamamali po tayo. Iba ang makukuha niyong sagot. Okay? So, ito ay mali. Ito ay ang tama. Okay? And that's the end of our discussion for exponential. Let's proceed with our that's the end of our discussion for logarithmic. Let's proceed next to our exponential functions.